Why super killer? Now I give you a change like I sing so good. I buy a drink. Yeah? And blow your face. Yeah? Cause you have a sweat and you have a work.
Yeah.
So I make you eat a bread.
Oh, you mean, my brother? I give
Yeah.
thanks and praise and
Eat a bread.
you. Always cause you're good youth, you know. God has a shine the light up on you. Me don't know what them a pre about. Akeynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry every day.
Well. Blessed love, good morning. Hope you guys have been a wonderful day, anywhere you are or anywhere you're watching from. Welcome to Akeynote Life in Jamaica. Blessed love. Alright then guys, alright. So you guys, so here is the point, right? For an example, I'm gonna show you why it's hard for humanity, for human being, literally, like to agree on one thing, you know, because even though there is so alright, I'm talking about even now with Cranberry and the family about the bed. Even though we're having so many mixed opinions same way on the bed, you know, so much more mixed opinion, and all the opinions, every single one is the same difference, you know, but it all come down to the same thing: the space and the age, you know, the longevity of when they got change, right? And I see somewhere people say we can extend the place. That place it cannot extend because it's literally right on the edge of the hill. There's nothing there to extend. There is no space. And remember, that land is a land that lease. So he cannot dig off the land to go backwards because it's going to be impeding on the landlord space. As you can see, there's above it another house, literally like meters away. So to expand, that's an impossible hack because at least long. So you want to get a small piece to do what he's doing, you know. So that is going to be totally out of it. There's no space for expansion right there, period. None at all. Yeah, none. Even if you go forward, it's the same thing. Yeah, but you have to see it with your physical eyes to see literally how the space is really tight. You understand? You have to see it with your physical eyes, and then know when you see it, you realize there is no space here. You know, because everything is just right at the edge. So if you notice the video, it's all right at the edge. Whenever I'm going there, everything's at the edge, so there's no space for that. Right? So we was trying to get as much space we can get, you know. I see most people say the same thing, bunk bed. Most people say the same thing, single bed. Some saying sofa bed, you know, knowing that sofa bed is not a possibility as well too. So single bed, you know, it's a good idea. Bunk bed is still a good idea, but it's still gonna come down to the same space, because the single bed, right, is the same space, same width and the same length as the bunk bed. You understand? But only because with the bunk bed now you have another one to go on top, which is, it will definitely like kind of, you know, shade it out the window. So it's gonna be the same gap but a little bit better than how it is. You know, so even if you buy the single bed same way, it's gonna be the same thing. You know, so even if you put it in the corner, you know, where underneath where the TV is, same way, and they will move the chest that drawer come where the windows is. You know, so the space is very limited, guys. You know, it's very limited. It's very. So we still haven't made up our mind yet because I'm trying to do this with you guys, but you guys ain't giving me any good options neither, because no one is literally like, I cannot see the majority saying one thing. You know, some saying this and some saying that. So that's to show you that human beings have their own opinion, and it's hard to come together to a conclusion, which is I have to just make my mind up and just do something what I see fit and see best for the family, you know, and moving forward, you know. And then you guys have to just know, say, you know what, it have to go that way, because I cannot agree with you and I cannot agree with you, you know, but we both all have a good opinion. But when it comes down to the space, same, you guys got to work out for the same, you know, because as I say, budget with the measurement, even single bed go there is still going to be the same. It's all because the single bed not going to have the height, you know, if it's a bunk bed. But remember, the bunk bed, it's single same way, you know, it's single same way. So the single bed still gonna come over into the walkway anyway you take it. So it's down to me now and the team for us, and Baja, which is, he's got the measurement and everything, so we can just literally do the right thing, you know, and there's no say benefit. But you guys, like, I don't know why, if you're not considering that if we put 2 kids at the bottom of the bunk bed and none at the top, Cranberry and our own. Remember, bear in mind, you said I should buy Cranberry a single bed. The bunk bed is also a single bed, you know, single, you know. So it's still gonna come down to the same thing. The kids them is going to grow, right? And I don't know how long this family is gonna be same place there at Miami River. I don't know. I have no clue, you know, knowing that the situation that we went there and see them in the first place, and now to where you guys get them to. So you know that financially they never have anything to help themselves, so we're the one that elevate them from where they was, you know, to where they are now. So we don't know if when time to come still gonna remain the same. So they're probably there for years to come. You know, Cranberry is 13. Next 5 years time, she's gonna be 18. You know, that's a big girl right there. You know, she's going to be 16 in the next 3 years time. So we have to literally, I'm trying to think about the future. You know, that's what I'm trying to think about, the best for the future, just in case if, I know in Jamaica, family tend to still stay together and families still stay to live with each other, you know, because of financial, to go pay rent or where you're gonna live. You know, most kids still stay with them parents same year. You know, so I don't know. You know, I don't know, but we have to just work with the best possible way we have. Understand? It's the best possible way, because I've seen, I remember, you know, it was 6 of them in one room when time we literally went there. Or they was living, it was 6 of them in one room and one bed when we first time see Cranberry them condition. And as you can see, the bed wasn't even stable, so it was already like literally into a tight space before we literally go there, you know. So with the bed and everything, it's a huge evolved situation right there, because it was 6 of them on one bed in one room. You understand? So the extension of the room that put it onto that, you know, with the extra beds, it's a big breaking point, you know, for the big change that happened from the one room with 6 of them. You know, them have space. You know, so for everybody to have them own space, you know, because they're kids, you know, Tara is getting big, Coco is getting big, you know, I know kids already growing up with your family, brother and sister, sister and sister always have problem, always have a little argument, and you probably don't want to sleep next to your sister because you're not just argue, you know. So guys, there's so much ways to think about it, you know, so much ways to try to go about it, you know. So we're gonna see the best way, you know, and I hope you guys just accept and appreciate, you know, and just move on from there, because it ain't gonna be no life loss, you know. Once you get a bed there, double bunk bed or a single bed, anything is the case, yeah, there's no life loss, you understand? So we're just doing it for the comfort of the family, all right? So just bear in mind, so we're just trying to make the best out of this situation, please, 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 please. So alright then guys, so with that said and that done, oh, there's a space. Why the bike man there right there? So basically right now guys, I am down at Wharf, literally heading into Wharf right now to go pick up a barrel from Country, you know, towards the back to school, you know. So this barrel is towards the back to school. Let me try, bro. Alright, can I go up here? Yes I can. Alright. Yes guys, so Country, you know, from White Plains Road, you know, send a barrel towards the back to school. I remember we got most of this stuff them already from last year that they send, but just because everything did arrive a bit late. Hold on, let me park. Let me park properly right here. This look good enough. Alright, so basically we got some back to school stuff already from the Overcomers and from the Kiwanis from Miramar as well too. They send some back to school bags, and also the Overcomers also they send some back to school stuff as well too. We got bags, and then now we have Country now that sent a barrel with back to school additional stuff to go with what we have going. So the date is set for the 16th, you know, of August, you know, which is hopefully we get no disappointment by the time the day get close, you know, which is time when we should get the permit, because we cannot get the permit yet, you know, only 10 days before the event. So it all depends on what's going on in the community. So if nothing's going on in the community, it wouldn't be a problem for me to get the permit, you know. So that's what them always make it stay as 10 days before, just in case if anything erupts in the community, and then no, you cannot do a back to school or do an event there, you know, because of a situation. So that is the case, you know. So we wanna have bouncer castle, you know, face painting, you know, gonna have beverages like we always have to give away ice cream, give them some chicken and chips, you know, fry food, and now have food for them while they're there, ice cream, cakes and all of that, you know. So all that is included. So if any guys interested in participating, in contributing in any way, if you want to give books, bags, anything you want to give, you know, we appreciate it. You know, if you want to give financial support towards food, anything, juices, anything, we appreciate it, you know. So it's a yearly thing. We never done it last year because of things the back to school stuff them arrive a bit late, some of them. So this year now we are having a big one. So here is the flyer, you know, ready and up and running. You're gonna see the flyer pop up right here. Pop. So we good to go, you know. So we big up to Student Assault Course as well too, you know, Tara and Suki also, you know, for participating to helping to get this flyer done as well too, you know. So thank you so much. So guys, so let's move on from this, and then now we can hopefully we can get everything sorted out in time, you know. So I'm gonna go in this building now, and hopefully I can get this barrel and come out here early because you know the thing goes already. When it comes on to waff, a whole day thing that. One all day thing. So for the day is not all long today. You know, so blessed love and watch you are going. Peace. Alright, so first, before I enter that building, let me go get myself one of those natural drink around here. You know, and what, even though the place is a bit calm, it's quiet, I still cannot celebrate because no matter if it's not that busy, it still takes a long while to get out of this place. You know, so bear in mind this is coming through Dennis shipping, so I never have no connection in trying to get anything done, you know, on an earlier case. So I have to just go through this process and see how long it will take for me to come out here today. So time is now 9:45 in the morning.
But I want to set them down. Well, the problem, you realize that you used to take him on. I used to take him on. I'm 40 years. There's no way for this island. I'm 40 years. Where did I get with you? You allow me away from my 40 years.
Guys, this man said he want a picture. Say, cheers!
Yeah, I'm super killer.
What's your name?
Super killer.
Super.
DJ super killer.
You're an artist?
Yeah. Can I get one tune nice for you?
Give me a one tune now.
They touch her ball a squad. Man from Grenada Farm, me I tell a bird man, chuck them combo, them love chucker, say them a chuck him book, and gun them love bust them, go this ball a squad, and get them sold out. Mama shot him and knock him, hey bird man, them, go on a bad man, her, up him for a high, say my bad man, and like ball a squad, say that so fierce, I tell ball a squad, hey, two enemies on the side, bird man boy, take a water, the man, him stop walk to I start walking. I'm going from this. I start hey ball a squad. You know what they are they do right there. They don't the boss get them money. Three much of them up here for. Drop drum for everything. You know them got hey bird man. Oh him somebody. I them got to get them. They don't tell me them to get in the one. Young well done, they just got split already. Let it up pick up another one for your man at everything. They got the spot at the ball man not a shirt at all. They must be up the ball. They got me what we have in the bubble dog. Jeez, it's a one so jeez. Jeez, next time like this, then I'll go look. I tell bird man, I do name something. They talk about when you see quantity. They touch him and then kill it. I don't know it. Hey, talk him really talk about the Chuck and turn boy them love. Say them a talk about I'm going them love. Them got this ball a squad and get them turned up. And they touch a ball a squad.
Yeah, ball a squad. What on you? Oh, you full of so much bling bling. Them not heavy.
Yeah, I went to me drop in a London in a 90. And them thing I'm go and beat. You know.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm big up London, I'm big up Kensington. Yeah, I'm big up the thing them vertical because they don't know a Gregory. Yeah.
You see that London?
Yeah.
Kensington.
Yeah.
Okay. So
6 months never out for no problem.
6 months.
Yeah.
And what happened? You come back home?
Yeah, man, 6 months done, you know.
6 months done, you come back home.
Yeah.
So
I'm big up the man them in a Kensington, so they don't know. Yeah, a super killer.
Super killer.
Yeah.
Why super killer? Now I give you a change, like I sing so good.
Yeah.
I buy you a drink. Yeah? And blow face. Yeah? Big up yourself. I like your bling bling them, you know?
Yeah.
Real rich. Alright, big up, yeah? Buy yourself a drink.
Yeah, man, go.
Big up,
I
so.
will be for my party next month at Greenwich Farm, no family. Ball squad on next month, in a Greenwich Farm.
So, you got perform.
Yeah, man.
You have a whole heap of watch and do. Lift up your hand, watch. Keep it back up. A peer watch upon the man wrist.
Yeah, man, turn up and miss the party in a family.
Peer watch upon him wrist.
You see, family, not miss the party next month.
But we're not going to promise you though.
Yeah, man, I say it, family.
We're not going to promise you.
Man, I don't know.
Big up yourself, yeah?
Yeah, I'm big up Ball squad. I'm big up Birdman, yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
That's my DJ.
Yeah, artist. Them general. I'm come and say, me a picture there. You know, give him a picture. Eh? This.
How are you using the stick like when you do things like that?
Yeah, my vlog.
Okay.
Vlog.
I said small.
Yeah, them small like this, but you can put on the extension on it plus like it a little angle. So you see already?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, bad man.
Bad. What your name?
Bad at the food.
Nothing wrong, man. You sing for me too?
Now me can't sing. I'm alone.
I'm alone.
One next brother I don't listen to me not sing better than him. About me.
When him again, I don't know, food change. I know him.
All him to him, but him,
Yeah,
me
food.
not see him.
Yeah, food change a sample, you know. I like
But I'm
it.
bad up every day for him.
Yeah, because last time I didn't do it as well to come down here.
And the brother where you used to be there, they did also.
Eh?
Yeah man, in the crack.
Young youth?
Yeah man, in the crack. No promise, you won't jam crack man, yeah, yeah.
Because when young youth used to be them first though.
Yeah man, I'm friend man. Nah, let's go now, whether we're there.
I never know him there. Crash. Oh, wow. True, you know, because I don't say anything more about him again because he used to be there for true. Wow, sorry to hear that. You working there?
Yeah.
Yeah, which department?
The front.
Right at the front?
Yeah.
Oh, so come. Yeah? General respect, yeah? Oh, that beautiful man.
Yeah,
From them days till now.
Yeah.
From them long time days that till now.
yeah, man, we still at Juggo, man.
Yeah, what for years?
We still at Juggo, man.
Same way.
Yeah, man, I still have my belt and my wallet in my bag, yeah, man. Step on the front and said, yeah.
Same way. Yeah, because a long time. I remember one time I buy one from you.
Yeah.
Good wife.
Yeah.
When me used to vlog, remember that vlog this with the camera called Jamaica Good Life?
Oh, round there, so bird 7. Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
remember?
Yeah, man,
But now the camera gets smaller now.
Oh, camera get smaller, you know.
You see it?
Oh, and a big camera again. Remember, man, I run a bird 7.
Yes.
Yeah, man, a good life, you know.
Yeah, good life, man.
life, man.
I'm to the donut, man. I'm to the
Yeah.
donut, man.
Donut. Fresh donut. Oh, them man, they must change them route and think. A good while now, I don't see, man.
Okay.
Still up on the front and fight the back of field still. Can't give up the fight, you know.
Oh, you go eat.
Right. Me and my mother and my youth, my daughter, them
I go eat. They have to continue.
Step on the street.
Yeah,
Last time I
yeah.
on the corner and beg $1 and depend on a man one. I forgot the father says, you shall seek and you shall find.
That is
Knock
it.
on the door shall open unto you. When one door closed, many open. You don't give up the fight.
Never.
You understand? That is right in a God's eyesight.
And that is a message to the youth, them.
Message to you. You understand? Don't give up the fight in a God's eyesight. This is right.
It is
And don't
right.
look up to another man who won't go. They go sweat for your sweat or your brother shall
Eat
eat
bread, of course, because a lot of them don't want sweating, but they
Yeah.
want to eat your bread.
They want to eat my bread and beg and beg. One father, I'm glad to see you, father. You understand? You can save me, no father.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And look from the sun where you're in and sweaty.
Yeah. I don't know, so I have up and down in the sun not and rain. Look at bread. You see, man, say
Right,
feed your
just, yeah.
family. That's what your father got put the power for multiply, you know.
True.
And feed your family, you know.
True,
Don't
true.
depend on a one and bad mind a one, because you don't know what I want to do to get people. Work hard for your one.
True, true,
For
true.
brothers and sisters. You understand? Go out there and seek your one and work towards it.
Yeah, for real,
You
for real,
understand?
for real.
Don't take a man like to feel money him have to work hard for.
I like that, I like that.
Yeah,
So much for your bill for them?
Yeah, you know, say a $2.5 and $2 still my king.
said we are.
Yeah.
Set
Price
from
never
them time
change.
to this time.
I like that. You never change the price.
Yeah, from them time to this time, I'm tell them, brother, I use me the on the go again. All the garrison, I walk them out, you know, from Grand Spring to Augustown, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? And Cassava Peace and Swallow Field and them place there. You see what I say?
A long time I see you try, but you must know. Cause 3 years of sweat and years of work.
Yeah.
So I make you eat a bird.
Oh, you mean, my brother? I give thanks and praise and
Eat a
God
bird.
with you. Always, because you're good youth, you know. God has a shine the light upon you, you know. Because you has a seek your own life, how me I seek my own.
Yes.
You understand? It's a bad mind and what you call it, hypocrite. And the two wicked, a bad mind involved with hypocrite, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? Because people, you feel say them with you, you know, but them are hypocrite today, a slaughter you, you know.
And behind your back, right?
Behind your back. But Father God, forgive themselves just like Judas.
Yes.
You understand me? I say I'm Barabbas. You understand?
Yeah,
Father
yeah.
God, forgive Judas still and I forgive Barabbas.
Yes. So show some of the people them some of the things them where you sell. So just in case if anyone come down here.
Say a belt and wallet and things.
So guys, this man always here hustling, you know, riding up and down, selling his belt and wallet.
The belt, the mini so in your bag still. You understand? These are the equipment and things. These are the equipment.
They used to
punch belt.
punch the belt.
The puncher. And these are the belts. You understand? More belts in the bag still, in the bag broad belt, but they have small loop. You
Yeah.
understand? For pick me a woman small loop, a woman wear small loop. You see the seaboard over here, so anytime the woman them want them get paid every month, anytime them want me, them call
you.
You understand? And them you know the wallet now. You understand? So everybody used to me, but I look at the garrison, because you see, he said you them are support me. I'm a bad man and I envious them and I kill them one of them.
Yeah.
The whole by elderly people, and the young youth, them a kill out them one another. Bad mind.
It's true, that's true.
Babylon have them, I say them have war over turf. Turf war.
Turf war, yes, for true. Because turf war been going on for the longest while,
I want Babylon hear them name a call. Regular them are going to go pry them out like a fitter that the sister said. You understand?
Yeah.
Because them bad mind them one another. They don't want to look at trade like me and you have a hustle.
True.
You see what I say?
Yeah.
Learn a trade no man and hustle no man. Find something to do no man. Find a girl and breed a girl man, score a goal man.
Yeah.
You understand?
But don't want too much single mom.
Man. That too much priority for man. And cultivate and plant up the land and them way there.
Yeah. Tint the soil, you know.
Wallet man and thing man. See them here? Yeah man, a wallet and thing man.
See them. Years they've been doing that. Years.
Wallet and thing.
So more up, give your number, a shout out just in case if anyone interested.
Well, yeah man, I can't give you my number man. We are talking about.
So say the number so them can hear it.
I'm in Greece from Southside. You know.
From Greece from Southside.
Southside. Near to General Penitentiary.
Yeah.
You understand? They call Southside, Raytown they near to me, Tel Aviv they near to me, Spoilers they near to me. You see me?
Yeah. Alright, so say your number. Say what's your mobile number?
My contact number 443.
Yeah.
4 again. 339.
So it's 1876 443
443.
Yeah.
4 again. 339. That's my contact number.
Okay.
And then 876.
In front of it.
Right. Exactly.
That is it.
Yeah, that is it.
Big up,
one
man.
love in my brother.
Every time.
And prosperity and God with you always.
Yes,
every
sir.
time because you're a good youth. You always in the youth do your thing and
Yeah.
try to make a one eat a bread.
Yeah.
You see what I say?
So we give thanks
So
and
we give thanks
share the
and praise.
blessing.
A oneness, my brother. And one love.
Every
as
time.
the Bob Marley say. You see what I say?
That is it. Love and love alone.
I love and strength and unity, you know, my brother.
Alright, guidance, yeah?
Protection in the house, yeah, my
yes,
brother?
I see him to you.
Eye protection.
Eye protection.
My brother.
That is it.
I
love.
respect, yeah.
Yes, love.
Love and strength. Praises, my brother. Praises. Blessed.
Yes.
Unity, see it?
Alright, cool.
Blessed, my brother.
Yeah. Alright guys, so I remember when I just started Jamaica Good Life and I came down here with my mom. You know, he was also a man that we did purchase a wallet from, you know. And him always been down here doing his thing, you know, riding up and down, all about trying to sell wallets, you know, to make ends meet. So I like his effort. It's not easy doing what he's doing, you know. I like his effort. So, and this man always in the sun, the boiling sun, you know, him still have to try to make ends meet. I love that, you know. So I just buy him a drink, you know. There's nothing hard in that. All right, blessed, yeah. Yes, there's nothing hard in that. So let me go see what I go on now in this Dennis shipping. Alright, so I got through with the first step, which is the shipping company duty. That's the first payment I've got through already. You know, that one is going to be easy. So the next one now is to go over and sort that out as well. So I have 2 more payments to do, you know, and then to see what I'm on. I'm good. Respect. So cashier now is where I'm gonna do my next payment at this cashier. My next payment. So I literally went through, check the barrel and everything, you know. So I'm just waiting to hear my name called. Yeah. So once my name is called, then we can go pay for the barrel. I already paid the second fee already. So the barrel will be the next fee after I check it. So I'm just waiting for them to call my name. That's the custom I'm gonna check it now. Cause I'm gonna go through the bar and see it's all the back to school stuff, all the books and them stuff is in there, you know. So that's out the way. So I'm just waiting, and I'm so thank God, thank the Lord, in here is not busy, you know. So it's moving smooth so far, which is good, you know. Which is good. And I just see the custom lady just gone into the room, so that means that she's gonna run through all the papers then now, and then I'll be definitely hear my name called shortly. Then I go pay for the barrel, get my gate pass, and then I'll be out of here, headed into Trenchtown to go drop it off, you know. So it's not so bad, you know, to be honest. It's not so bad, and I give thanks. Because in the Melissa time, trust me, it's hell break loose in here, you know. And then again, I'm gonna say it's still early season. So if it was like in August, and then in July, August, that means you can have some local issues coming here, you know. Could have, but there's none of that, so there's not much issue getting things done, you know. So that is it. I'm just waiting for my name card. So let's see how long I'm gonna wait to hear my name, get the gate pass, and then yeah, I'll be out. Peace. Yeah. I'm driving already still. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Can this gate open? Oops. Alright guys, so I got the go ahead pass, them call it gate pass. They call it the gate pass, but I call it the go ahead pass. You know, so this I'm gonna get the scan, waiting on the vehicle. You know, I just call one of the taxi friends of mine to come around, to come get the barrel. So I'm gonna get the scan at the post. So this is so all of the money where you spend and everything, after all the papers, then this is all they're left with, one blue piece of paper. Call it gate pass. You know, so security post over here. Go get it scanned. And then go and wait for Daniel to come by. Choo 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 choo. Alright, so all is set. Now I'm just waiting on the vehicle to arrive to go in the building. So I have to walk a bit further down because up here is where you're driving with the vehicle. So this is a one-way road, so I cannot have him to drive past this way. If him drive past this way, I have to go all the way around back to come back again. So I have to go down this side to wait for him, because this is where you're going to drive in. Over here is where you drive in. So literally I am gonna wait somewhere down here, for when he arrives, because this is a one-way road going that way. Guys, I'm so happy it never took that long. Yeah, I'm so happy it never took that long. So it's just to wait on the vehicle to come along right now.
Two pieces, what? Yeah, 2 pieces. This? Organ. Them gone, you know. Eh? Them gone, everything. Where? Oscar. Eh? Oscar. Oscar. Wait. When we did stop them on, when we stop them on, to push out him. I want to look at me and get out. Peter, I want to do one. The road number one here. Road in the middle.
Boy, I'm not lie. I think me they get through, but I know the long waiting start to get in the barrel, doing all the paperwork and everything. But no, the exact long waiting start. Jesus Christ! No matter how you feel like, so you get through. Trust me, it's another story. He said the chicken and me tofu curry. WAF. How can WAF ever improve? How can WAF improve? Give me barrel. Yeah, Melissa cramp them style.
And them are buying new forklift. Two new forklift.
Come up more, Ripper, come. Come, see me, come, Ripper, come. Alright. Ripper, remember Wednesday up so again, yeah?
Yeah?
Wednesday again up so.
Yeah.
Said God bless me, no wicked heart can test me.
Ready now? I'm moving, I'm coming out.
Yeah.
Good man, that's 15 and
Ripper, but I got drive past my car again like last time.
yeah, up on the front.
Yeah, they're on this one. I turn the corner. Now I'm gonna leave.
You're mad.
Last time forgot about my car and go all the way in Trenchtown and I forgot my vehicle down here. If you got that Trenchtown with a reach. Oh. Alright guys, finally we out of here. You know, get the barrels and get stuff. So good, thank you lad. Imagine, but even though it still take a couple of hours.
Right, and congratulations to Carleen.
Them change it again?
The answer was...
Yeah, let's go back again and check it.
Yeah.
Yeah, my license again.
And the winner will pick up a short prize from the head office. All right,
WAF is difficult, bad boy. Difficult WAF. How them can improve WAF? I guess they have to get back to the Jamaicans then. They could do it yourself. Cause boy, if Jamaica sell out WAF and WAF are behave so. Actually, another van box you go check. There you go.
Never park in here.
Never park in here?
You have fried chunk here?
Yeah. So the worm they might dig out my belly.
What's that?
Yeah, man, the worm they might dig out my belly.
Oh, yeah, really?
Yeah. I have to go and drop out the bar. I have to go head to Ibos Spice go eat some Italian food right now.
Ibos Spice.
Yeah, cause the worm might dig out my belly, man. I'm gonna break it. Anything else? What you say?
The lag you out.
Oh, I'll lag out. You must step on the pier. Can't go on now? Lag me out. She gonna lag me out. You never know my lagging. Oh, you need Wi-Fi password?
Yeah, that me wonder for that go on so.
Yeah, you're gonna lag you out before me can't see. Me can't come out unless them lag me out. So it's like
one password now.
yeah. They must want password now.
We need to go home.
You know what I mean?
Find the password.
Hey, WAF is difficult, man. Difficult, guys. So.
You would come to make them. Mama, make some work and then go on. And then keep up with them. They make their work and then go on and then come to somebody. Simple.
Yeah. Me lag out now?
Come to somebody.
Oh.
Where you need my ID?
Anybody who can't get when you go on.
I know you matter.
My work, I can't go on them say.
Where you need paper too?
Have the paper already?
Yeah. Just I lag it for lag me out.
What's the name of the shipping company?
Dennis.
Again. No sir, why if I get it from bad to earth?
Wow, for my help right now. Come.
Oh, so we lag out. Hey, we lag out. Oh, you can't write this on me, I go for my vehicle, you know, so go in the corner this so. Guys, so we lag out, so we're moving out, I gotta jump in my vehicle, you know, and then heading drop off this barrel. Big up yourself, country, you know, guys, so this barrel is coming from country, you know, towards the back to school from White Plains Road, you know, so some car up yesterday, I'm jump out there, so. Come on the corner while some people missing. I said, wait, that way my car there. Yeah, I wonder if them put it in the container too. Guys, so the vehicle is over here. Them locked me out. Alright, thank you, Lord. Thank you. Why, you know, say WAF is one of anybody's nightmare. So when you complete the day and go through, trust me, you have to give thanks. You know, you have to give thanks. God, them place there, not normal. Normal, guys, so I'm going to head into Trenchtown now, drop off this barrel and go get something to eat, you know. Yeah. So guys, so me, how my diet is, I don't have breakfast, you know, 99% of the time I don't have breakfast and I don't have lunch, you know. I just eat like literally when it touched 3 o'clock them times, you know, after 2 to 3, between 2 and 4, that's when I will have my first meal, you know. I will have it at Ivo Spice and that will be the only meal for me for the day, and then I will drink and munch on fruits and nuts or smoothie, you know. That's how I eat. So when I have this now, the time is now, until the time now. So the time now is 4:15. So when I have this, so when I have this now, that's my only meal for the day. What I will have like, you know, fruit drinks and them thing, blended up juice, you know, and that will last me. If I'm munching, I get some nuts I feel a bit peckish or anything, I have a smoothie. That's just me. That's just me. So blessed love country, big up yourself again once more. Thank you to contributing this barrel towards the back to school. You know, we thank you so much. There's a loads of books in there as well too. So yes, so we give thanks. Country, big up yourself. So guys, if you're interested in contributing anything towards beverage, books, anything at all, you know, hit me up. Because I think this year is going to be much bigger because we never have it last year. So everybody's looking forward for this one. You know, everyone is literally looking forward. So you know the thing goes. So let me head in Trench Town and then so I go on. Peace. Penedo! Eh?
It's what my place and
A back to school thing.
eh?
A back to school. I don't know.
How we are calling?
Oh.
Good man. You want this, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, I don't listen. That's a good one. Think if you're better than that, why not?
You know, one barrel there, you know?
Each one of you that side the man.
Okay, look, you local go come on. No, yeah, but I make it sport. Yes, and the rest of the farm with them I use now so bustling like local food. You know much of them play fast them get and them score.
The guy in already still.
Them on the choke line in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It never heavy, so rip could have man.
One team, dream team, big up Kino man. Every time
At the back,
you hear that,
at the back to school from country, you know. Big up country.
Country?
Yeah, from White Plains Road. Him send the barrel
yeah,
towards
man.
the back to
Country from White Plain Road. Big up yourself, you know, my father. No respect and love, you hear that? Say it's one team, dream team.
school. Yeah. Yeah, man, to help out with the back to school. Rick, remember Wednesday?
Alright, man.
Well, I watch you smell your pot, what you cooking?
My bar just I'm getting some Akeynote so far, so I try to get it.
Yeah.
Some peace now, boy.
Where's the dynamite?
Really go with my own them.
So what go on? You call the gas man?
Yeah, man, no, for treat, you know.
So you still have more the vegetables see them here? We don't know how to cook, man.
Yeah, you see them cook some. You see them
That should have been done.
Yeah, me give
cook some more time, man.
Nothing there.
Yeah, man. Enough with the night, no genius.
That should have been done.
That's why I said before, I forgot, yeah, make it boil, man.
Yeah.
Tell me truth, because I'm going to research you,
Yes. Oh, and this wow?
Peas, man, black eyed peas every night back.
Black eyed peas?
Yeah, man.
You mean black beans?
Black beans, yeah, man.
Black beans.
Black beans,
You are cooking to it?
don't know it's broken.
Oh yeah, stew or the rice and peas?
Rice and peas, I'll turn it in a man.
Oh.
More stuff on it, you know.
Black beans.
Yeah, man.
Please.
Nice, you know, black bean rice and peas.
Yeah,
man.
man.
Yeah, man, that's what we just make it one boil. But just so we get in some ackee, so we get a dozen more, one dozen and a half more.
Yeah. And the nicest rice and peas that I ever eat.
Pour enough of jasmine rice on it.
Yeah. And the nicest rice and peas I got ever eat. Wow, trust me. Yeah. movements. Aye. One food there, please. So these are the straight make like him almond seed. Man, this is not almond, this is almond. You know the almond tree here in Jamaica. That is it. To make things right. World Cup on TV. That is in the site. Eyes straight around here, relax. I go and open his eyes. Just drink a sip. Yeah. Let him go and skip.
One father straight, you know? One father. Yeah, man, I go and watch some football. You see what I say? I tell them, say, I'm a big side is a play Spain.
Already? That match are gone already?
Yes?
Yeah. So from earlier. This is replay.
I mean, I look over there and I say, okay, bomba. So who win this?
Let me draw.
I want to see a replay match. I mean, this one done gone already, man.
Yeah, look at Nooney. This is the Nooney. Draining. So this is what Ibo is going to battle out. Natural. Nooney, you know. What's up? Everybody say yes, he's here, dog. See these dogs, they know when I'm hearing them. They get excited. Look, Turbo get excited. Turbo! What's up, Turbo? What's up, Turbo? What's up, Turbo? What's up, Turbo? Look at Turbo. What's up, Turbo? What's up, Turbo? Shut up. What's up, Turbo? Food? I got bread over there. Brother, you poo. Brother poo and Turbo poo. So come back, okay? So get food. So come. What's up? Eh? What's up? High five. Oh, high five, brother. Oh, high five. Chop. Turbo getting jealous. What's up there? What's up? Chop. Chop. So come back, okay? So come back. What's up? And that brother says, see that guys, whoa. Imagine when you're hungry, the thing I got in your belly. Just imagine this. Oh gosh. Oh, you have herbal and beetroot. Sure. Eat this right now. Yeah. My mouth is running water.
He also talked about the heartbeat of that family. He talked about the midfield, and he said that with Pedri, Rodri, Fabio Ruiz, he went through and listed everything.
It's a skill call the war up and really give it a screw.
Rodri did drop him.
I photocopy the post.
That allows the outside backs to get forward. Just the quick combination of Pedri and Ruiz. Really can follow the problems if they can play 1 and 2 touch.
Yeah, I start to hold the vibes out upon the beach, man. Beer I come back and thing, feel the vibes, man. That's a
proud. Proud to come back and
They call this name a team.
Yeah.
in a team. Man.
You need a team.
Yeah, man, but we just have to go and take your time. This could not make call tomorrow, you see?
So you're not going to finish?
No, I'm going to finish, so we just have to go and pluck it out.
Yeah, take your time, because she's only gone 4, 6.
4, 6.
8.
Yeah.
Only 8 in Gans of farm. Only 8. Yeah.
This is a work now, man.
No.
Yeah, the work now, man, and I put all them, man.
Yeah, normal, to prep the stuff then for the food alone.
The food, man, yeah.
No, normal, but when you put so much different stuff in
the juice, them.
And the juice as well.
All the time, all the morning time, the amount of fruits you have to put up a morning time. Panganut, you know panganut, huh?
Yeah.
One time we buck up on all panganut to pluck out.
It's the seed, pluck out the stuff down with that.
Oh yeah, the seed them. You know panganut take all long, I watch all this. I don't know when you're going to do this.
Nah, we're finished, you know.
I understand my time still.
Yeah. So the mango ready, Ibo? The fine one? Yeah. And a blackie? A blackie? Is a blackie tree this? See one here? All the time, I never know a blackie, you know. So maybe you never lucky to get a mango off of that tree. Hey guys, it's the first time getting a mango. Yeah. Yeah. This smells good. One thing the blackie them smell good. Still a search. Them here. That's why the juice them so nice, man. Yeah. Oh, Irie. That's why the juice them so Irie. Yeah.
Jump right up.
When you hide my eye, but you find them more your best. Well, not ready yet. God, look on, this is the only one I was just fine. What? I want that drop. I want that drop. Jaja. I never pick it and I drop it, just drop. Oh, you shit, you shit.
You make a jump out of mango.
You know what I mean? Whoa! See there, guys, too blacky. The mango you eat the skin, all the seed, no seed. What you say? What? Where you use for seed?
Kernel.
The kernel. You eat the kernel. No, I eat no kernel though. Kernel not the army. No kernel, no kernel at all.
I'm going for the picker now.
Oh, you find one? What? The one from a tree bunch, yeah?
Yeah. You see it? You see it look pale than the next one?
Yeah, the one from the left hand side.
I tell you about the man. Just look.
Oh. And the next one too.
When I like, feel that.
Yeah.
Full. But you alone no know them straight. I don't want to look like. No sir, ready.
No sir, ready.
Still ready to know.
Yeah man, they're not ready man.
You know, you have to know them, man. So you have to know them, man.
Cause them have a look, you know, when time they're ready.
Exactly, you study and know them, look.
So one pay look, yeah? This no look, so one, yeah?
Yeah. You see, you pick up on them, too. That one has it?
Yeah.
I'm going to try. If you ever get a zero, it's a zero.
It's a zero.
No, I'm going to start that one before you.
Yeah.
Cooking on that.
That one I got ripe. Leave it just for a couple of days. A couple of days it's ready.
As is the one, you know. That I just curry.
Yeah.
That I just one of the curry with the jackfruit.
The mango.
Yeah,
so now you say, man, you need a special, man.
Black in the nose curry, you know.
Okay.
I know that thing I said, the one that have the taste. The messy curry.
Yeah. So you have to do a special, man. Jackfruit and mango. Jackfruit and mango. Guys, see me drink them here. You know, I got 2 herbal here, 2 beef. You know, after I finish, consume. And then blackie. Yeah. So new thing now, guys, so bless and love. I'm out because the rain is literally coming down from fine June. You know.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.